Start your descent now. Turn downwind, runway 18 right.
Downwind down to Roger, pushing down bottom.
Tell Drager, turn out into the grass, up and down side. Runway 18 right, got the peak down, clear away. Low wing, turn your base now. Turn base now. Runway 18 right on pink dot, clear away. Just on the runway, turn right into the grass. All players start one down. Low wing on the runway, put it down.
Traffic tucked in, nice and tight right behind.
Blowing on the runway, right into the grass. All players park, won't shift.
Contact inbound assist, continue inbound on the runway, 1,800, enter right downwind inside the gravel pit. Once you get inside the gravel pit, start to descend on the
Railroad Island. And the 4L39s, we're on runway 18 right, so if you want the overhead for 27, you can go over to the tower on 118.5. 118.5. Three, Roger. RL39. Hopper flight D127 for the overhead.
We'd like to do a fly-through of traffical permit on 36 left.
Unable, 36 left, unable. It'll be 18 right.
Okay, 18 right will work. Proceed north. You want to call or turn in?
And the 3 L39s enter a left base, runway 18 right. Maintain 2,300.
2,300 left base for 18 right.
RV on the runway, exit the runway now, please get traffic behind you. RV on the downwind, start your descent now. Cessna, turn base now. Turn base now by the tower. And on the pink dot, we're runway 18 right, clear to land.
Morning, mate. Morning.
Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate that. L39, turn your base now at the tower, or crossing at the tower now, and overfly the runway at above 2,300. We'll call the break. Runway turn base now. Turn base now. Turn all the way around to the pink dot. Clear the land of the pink dot. Runway 18 right. Alpha flight, keep that turn going. Good job. There you go. Thank you very much. RV, square the turn. RV, square the turn. Watch the RV. Watch the system rolling. RV, go around. RV, just fly that altitude offset to the left. Harvey, you can start the left turn crosswind and back to the downwind for me when you're ready. Harvey, just keep that left turn coming around right back to the tower and at the tower at the Buddha.
Can we make a right turn and do one more pass over when you right?
Unable to right turn over the clouds, make a left turn, hopper flight, left turn.
Turns, one more fly through, correct?
That's approved. Yes. Harvey, right turn in the grass there, thank you for the help.
We can land out of the downwind or giving overhead, whatever works.
Hopper flight, go ahead and turn the downwind, start to descend.
The altitude for the hoppers?
Might be more than that.
Hoppers descend at one, or you can go ahead and descend down the pattern, or you can descend down for the left base runway 18 right, clear to land.
18 right, clear to land, hopper flight 3.
Cherokee, turn base now, keep down. To the north of the tower for the 27 level.
Okay.
Hopper, base down. Hopper, keep that base going. Rolling, turn your downwind now. Start your descent. Cirrus, turn right off the runway. Drive behind you. Hopper flight, runway 18 right, clear to land. Thank you, Cirrus. Welcome to Oshkosh. Tower, Hopper 2, we're going to go around and like to come back and land on 27. Hopper 2, go.